Welcome to the in front of me POCO F4, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume of your device, swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel by this way. Also, you can do this by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your phone. Click here on the three dots to activate the volume panels, and just to change the ringtone volume, swipe to the up or to the down with your finger, this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.